Why not take away the pain for your customers in caring for their new front door? External door and window hardware have a lot to put up with under constant attack from environmental exposure. Whether it's polluted city air or corrosive salt air in coastal settings, or just the general exposure to the elements. External hardware certainly has a lot more to deal with than internal hardware. It's not only the door furniture, it's the locks and cylinders as well. They can dry out and be clogged with grime and dirt and become hard to operate. This can affect the lifespan of your doors and windows, with customers requesting callbacks for issues which aren't yours. But with a little care and maintenance, these issues can easily be avoided, preventing the expense and pain of site callbacks and unhappy customers. Tea staining is a cosmetic issue that takes place with contaminants sitting on the surface of the stainless steel. This does not impact the structural integrity or lifetime of the material. It can easily be avoided through regular cleaning with a soft cloth and mild soapy water. Then, drying with a clean soft cloth, rubbing or wiping should be carried out in the direction of the brush or polish lines. If tea staining has occurred or the door is in a corrosive environment such as on or near the coast, then our DR121 stainless steel cleaner should be used as follows. We recommend wearing protective wear and not applying the DR121 cleaner or conditioner in strong sunlight. Firstly, shake the cleaner, and then apply the DR121 cleaner to a moist sponge or soft cloth, rubbing on the tea stained area and then leaving it to contact for at least a minute. Start to rub the cleaner into the metal using a soft cloth or sponge. Note that the rubbing or polishing should only be carried out in the direction of the brush or polish lines of the metal. If the oxidation is hard to remove, then only on raw or satin stainless steel, the white scrubbing side of the sponge could be used. Again, this should be in the direction of the brush or polish lines of the metal. When finished cleaning, the residue should be carefully removed using clean water and a clean soft cloth. Only light pressure should be used at this stage to prevent loose dirt from being rubbed back into the pores of the metal. Lastly, finish off the process by applying the DR121 conditioner. For use after the DR121 cleaner, dilute the conditioner 100 ml conditioner to 400 ml of cold water. Apply using a clean soft sponge or cloth. Rubbing, polishing should be carried out in the direction of the brush or polish lines of the metal. And here we can see the difference from using the DR121. Issue 2, keys sticking and jamming in cylinders. Over time, cylinders can become dried out and clogged with dirt and grime. They can also become corroded. These combine to make the cylinder hard to operate and for the key to insert and turn around. Our Carver cylinder spray easily resolves this. A regular squirt of this into the cylinder cleans, lubricates and maintains it, providing trouble-free operation and helps prevent corrosion. Issue 3, multi-point locks seizing up and jamming, making it hard to operate the handle. A regular application of our GLS 200 lubricant spray will help resolve this and prevent this happening in the future. We need to lubricate all of the moving parts of the lock, including the central gearbox. Remembering to lubricate the top and bottom gearboxes and rotate the handle to help the penetration of the lubricant. GLS 200 is a fully synthetic PTFE grease which protects and lubricates with a clean, non-toxic, anti-corrosive shield. It is totally water and salt resistant, which can be used in multiple applications on wood, metal or plastic. Just a note not to use other fluids or aerosol lubricants such as WD-40, as they can have detrimental effects on your cylinder. We've put together a hardware longevity pack. Why not stand out from your competition and provide one of these packs to your customer? Compared to the cost of your door and the cost of an unhappy customer, or the cost of a site callback, the cost is minimal, and the content can be adjusted to product you require. For more information, contact us on sales@coastal-group.com or phone us on 01726 871 025.